Did you know your seemingly healthy oatmeal could actually be harming your health? In today's video, we're revealing the truth behind oatmeal and why certain food combinations could sabotage your wellness. If you've been eating oatmeal for breakfast with fruits, dairy, or sweeteners, you might want to rethink your choices. Stick with me as we uncover 3 surprising foods that, when paired with oatmeal, could disrupt your blood sugar and overall health. But don't worry, I've got better alternatives for you. If you're ready for a healthier breakfast routine, make sure to hit subscribe and let's dive in. Number 1. Oatmeal and fruit combinations. Oatmeal is often considered a go-to healthy breakfast, but did you know that pairing it with the wrong fruits can harm your health? Fruits like bananas, grapes, or dried fruits may seem like natural, wholesome additions, but they can cause your blood sugar to spike. Oatmeal is already rich in carbohydrates, which naturally break down into sugar when digested. Combine it with high-sugar fruits, and you're setting yourself up for an energy crash shortly after breakfast. These sharp spikes in blood sugar can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and increase your risk for developing type 2 diabetes over time. So while fruits are healthy, the types of fruits you add to your oatmeal matter a lot. Instead of reaching for high-sugar fruits, consider pairing your oatmeal with lower glycemic fruits like berries, apples, or pears. These fruits have a much slower impact on your blood sugar, helping to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Berries, for instance, are loaded with antioxidants, which not only improve your immune system but also support healthy skin. Apples and pears are packed with fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Remember, the key to a healthy breakfast is balance. Oatmeal itself is a fantastic choice, but the fruits you add can either enhance or derail its benefits. So, next time you prepare your bowl, think twice about those high-sugar fruits and make a smarter choice for your health. Number 2. Avoid oatmeal with high-fat dairy products. If you've been adding whole milk or heavy cream to your oatmeal, you might want to reconsider that choice. While dairy can provide a creamy texture, high-fat options like whole milk or cream can contribute to unhealthy levels of saturated fats in your diet. Excessive intake of saturated fats can raise your cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. This is especially concerning for individuals who are trying to manage their weight or improve their heart health. But don't worry. There are much better alternatives that will still give you that creamy oatmeal texture without the added risks. Opt for unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or skim milk. These alternatives not only lower your saturated fat intake, but also provide you with a lighter, more balanced breakfast. Almond milk, for example, is low in calories and packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Oat milk offers a slightly sweeter taste and is a good source of fiber, which aids digestion. If you crave that rich, creamy consistency, but want to avoid the extra fat, try adding a spoonful of chia seeds or flax seeds. These superfoods are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. You'll still get the indulgent texture, but with a much healthier twist. By making small changes to your oatmeal toppings, you can transform your breakfast into a heart-healthy, nourishing meal. Choose lighter dairy alternatives, and your body will thank you in the long run. Number 3. Don't pair oatmeal with sweeteners. Let's face it, oatmeal often tastes bland, without a little extra sweetness. But sweetening your bowl with sugar or artificial sweeteners may seem like an easy fix, yet it's not as harmless as you might think. The problem with refined sugar is that it causes a rapid spike in blood sugar, leading to an energy crash and cravings later in the day. It also contributes to weight gain, and consistently consuming too much sugar increases your risk for developing conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Artificial sweeteners aren't much better. They can disrupt your metabolism and may even encourage you to crave more sugary foods. Instead of turning to refined sugar or synthetic sweeteners, consider natural alternatives that offer better flavor and health benefits. A touch of honey, for instance, can provide a natural sweetness along with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey has been shown to improve gut health and help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a much healthier option than sugar. Cinnamon is another great alternative to sweeteners. It adds warmth and flavor without increasing blood sugar levels. In fact, cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a perfect addition to your morning bowl of oatmeal. Not only will it enhance the taste, but it will also support your overall health. By swapping out refined sugar and artificial sweeteners for these natural alternatives, you can enjoy a sweeter breakfast without compromising your health. So next time you make oatmeal, think about how you can make it taste great while supporting your body's needs. Conclusion: while oatmeal can be a healthy breakfast choice, pairing it with the wrong foods can hinder its benefits. Avoid high-sugar fruits, high-fat dairy, and artificial sweeteners to protect your blood sugar levels, heart health, and overall well-being. By making smarter choices, like choosing low-sugar fruits, plant-based milks, and natural sweeteners, you can create a balanced, nourishing meal that supports your long-term health. Start making these simple changes today and enjoy a healthier, more energized morning routine.